Sir Chair, ibig sabihin po itong usapin patungkol sa pagre-renew ng application ng ABS-CBN ay hindi lang po isinantabi. Ito po ay tinapos na ngayong araw na ito, Mr. Chair. Tama po ba?
That is correct.
ETV Online Channel, in the service of the Filipino online world.
Barsaga?
Siguro, Mr. Chairman, alam naman natin na itong committee hearing natin tungkol sa prangkisa ng ABS-CBN ay naiiba sa mga committee hearing na ginaganap natin. This is a well-publicized hearing na lalaman at nakikinig at sumusubaybay hindi lamang ang ating mga kapwa kinatawan, whether members or not members of the franchise committee, pati na ang taong bayan. At sa aking pananaw, siguro naman sasabihin ng mga kasapi ng technical working group na kahit na maraming issues, I am absolutely certain that like the ordinary people, they are carefully watching kung ano ang mga proceedings natin at sa tingin ko, alam nila kung paano ang gagawin sa kanilang technical working group, pati na ang kanilang report. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair,
Kong Mike?
Mr. Chairman, nais ko lang pong idagdag kasi po dito po sa committee report, dito po ang tatlong tao na nakapirma, si Deputy Speaker Garcia, ang tumatayong tagapamahala ng Technical Committee. At para po sa majority, si Congressman XJ Romualdo. Sa minority po, ang nakapirma ay si Congresswoman Stella Kimbo. In fact, she voted against the committee report. Ang nais ko lang po sabihin, Mr. Chairman, sa party po ng majority, yun po ang responsibilidad ng mayorya. Sa minority, of which the Honorable Abante is our minority floor leader, which includes the Honorable Sorate, sila po ang dapat mag-usap sa minorya kung ano ang kanilang posisyon, kung meron man, Mr. Chairman. But as far as the majority is concerned, andito po nakapirma ang tatlo at may representasyon ang ating minorya. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you. With that, Comsec, pwede po ba ninyo mabasa yung title ng ating committee resolution?
Committee resolution. Resolution denying the franchise application of ABS-CBN Corporation to construct, install, establish, operate, and maintain radio and broadcasting stations in the Philippines.
There was a motion. Any second? Any
I
objection?
second, Mr. Chair.
Any objection? There is an objection. Given that meron pong objection, we have to divide the House para po pagbotohan natin. We have 85...
Mr. Chairman, point of clarification, Mr. Chair.
Kong Alvarado.
Mr. Chairman, maaari po bang malaman namin kung ilang boto ang kinakailangan para po pumasa ang committee resolution?
Based po sa 85 na committee members at ex-officio members na present, ang kailangan po para manalo is 43. Majority po.
50% plus 1 po.
Aba.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. So, ngayon po, nais po nating i-remind, we would like to remind the members na pagdating po sa voting natin, that a yes vote means that a member supports the adoption of the committee resolution. Hence, a denial of the franchise application of ABS-CBN Corporation. A no vote means that a member opposes the adoption of the committee resolution and hence favors the granting of the franchise application of ABS-CBN Corporation.
Mr. Chair,
Kong Jonathan.
tama po ba na mga miyembro at ex-officio members lamang ang maaring bumoto sa House resolution po na pagbobotohan natin ngayong tanghaling ito?
Tama po, that is correct.
Mr. Chair, kung tama po yun, ang ibig sabihin po, ang pagbobotohan natin dito ay hindi yung pagbibigay ng... ang pinagbobotohan po dito ay kung umaayon ka ba sa committee resolution o hindi. Ang committee resolution, Mr. Chair, ay nagsasaad na hindi dapat bigyan ng prangkisa ang ABS-CBN. Kung sa gayon, Mr. Chairman, para po sa kaalaman ng ating mga kasamang members at ex-officio members na boboto po ngayong hapong ito, kung po kayo ay mag-yes, ang ibig sabihin po ng yes na boto po ninyo ay sumasang-ayon kayo sa committee resolution na huwag bigyan ng prangkisa ang ABS-CBN. Kung naman po tayo o isa sa atin ay boboto ng no, ang ibig sabihin po ay tumataliwas tayo sa committee resolution, hindi tayo umaayon sa committee resolution at nais po ng membro na bigyan ng prangkisa ang ABS-CBN. Tama po ba yon, Mr. Chairman?
Tama, Kong Jonathan, at maraming salamat sa napakalinaw na pag-explain.
Maraming salamat, Idol Chairman Chicoy Alvarez.
Ang
Mr.
salamat.
Chairman, Mr. Chair,
Kong Abante.
so ibig sabihin, yung pagtanggap ng resolution na yan, hindi yung do you accept the resolution as filed or written, no? Therefore, kasama na rito yung pagboto mo if you are for the franchise or against the franchise.
That is correct.
So therefore, Mr. Chairman, pag ang boto po ay no, ulitin ko po pag ang boto po ay no, ibig sabihin that you do not want ABS-CBN to continue.
Baliktad po. If you vote no, you are in favor of ABS-CBN to continue.
So ganito, kung pabor po ako na magpatuloy ang ABS-CBN, no dapat ang boto ko.
Tama po.
Kung ayaw ko nang magpatuloy pang ABS-CBN, yes dapat ang boto ko.
Tama po.
Salamat po, salamat po.
Thank you, Kong Abante. Ngayon po, punta na po tayo sa votation. All those in favor of the adoption of the committee resolution denying the franchise application of ABS-CBN Corporation, please ask to be counted. Ilinawin ko lang po, marami tayong manners, hybrid tayo ngayon, manners ng votation. Pwede pong text, pwedeng Viber, email, at physically present po. The committee secretary is hereby directed to count the votes and record the same.
Mr. Chair.
Kung
With
sa atin,
the-
ongoing po yung pagbibilang po nating committee secretary.
Itawagon ba isa-isa?
Binibilang po muna yung sa Zoom, isa-isahin po natin, and then yung physically present, and then yung nasa nag-text po. Hearing resumed. All those who are against the adoption of the committee resolution denying the franchise application of ABS-CBN Corporation, please ask to be counted. The committee secretary is hereby directed to count the votes and record the same. Yung nasa dito po sa plenary, pwede po taas po ng kamay yung Kong Zarate and Kong Abante. Kong Zarate po.
Yes, Mr. Chair. I'm formally registering my negative vote to the resolution on the floor. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Noted po, Kong Abante, Kong Zarate, Kong Abante.
Ganon din po ako, I register my negative vote on the resolution.
Noted po. So ngayon po, bibigyan po natin ulit ng time ng Secretariat na bilangin po yung no votes naman sa Zoom and sa text and sa email and sa lahat pang ibang platforms. Being resumed. Andito na po yung report ng ating Secretariat. Linawin ko lang po, 85 members ang present, 44 po pala yung majority na kailangan. So, ang nag-yes, 70. Ang nag-no, 11. Dalawang nag-inhibit, isang nag-abstain. Ayun, yun ang total. So 70 ang yes, 11 ang no, dalawa nag-inhibit, isa ang nag-abstain. The resolution to deny ABS-CBN's franchise application is hereby adopted. Pursuant to Section 49 of the Rules of the House of Representatives, all House bills and House resolutions relative to the grant or renewal of the franchise application of ABS-CBN Corporation are hereby laid on the table. The committee secretary is hereby directed to inform all the authors of the bills and resolutions of the decision of the committee in writing, and as far as practicable, though electronic mail within 5 days stating the reasons therefore.
Mr. Chair,
Mr.
Mr. Chair,
Kong Jonathan.
point of clarification lang po. Ano po ba ang ibig sabihin ng laid on the table, Mr. Chair?
Committee secretary.
Para sir na, ano na siya, kill.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Ibig sabihin po, itong usapin patungkol sa pagre-renew ng application ng ABS-CBN ay hindi lang po isinantabi. Ito po ay tinapos na ngayong araw na ito, Mr. Chair. Tama po ba?
That is correct. Kong Defensor.
Mr. Chair, in parliamentary courtesy, when a bill is being approved, we don't necessarily vote no because we just lay it on the table just to make it stay in the committee. But technically, Mr. Chair, for a franchise application, the effect would be to kill the application of the franchise. But it is still in our rules laid on the table. And Mr. Chair, as this is a historic moment for the House of Representatives and of course for the Filipino nation, I move that all members, Mr. Chair, who voted for the adoption of the committee resolution be made as co-authors. I so move, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion to include all members of the committee who voted for the adoption of the committee resolution denying the franchise application of ABS-CBN Corporation. Any second?
I second, Mr. Chair.
Is there any objection?
Who voted, not present? I'm sorry. I withdraw my objection.
Without any objections, motion is approved.
Mr. Chair,
Kong
I
Jonathan.
move that the committee adopt the other findings and recommendations contained in the technical working group report, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion to adopt the other findings and recommendations contained in the TWG report. Any second?
Second, Mr. Chair.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is approved.
Mr. Chair,
Kong Defensor.
for purposes of transparency, I move that we authorize the chairman of the Committee on Legislative Franchises to release the TWG report and the adopted committee resolution to the public and other committees of the House. I so move, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion. Any second?
I second, Mr. Chair.
Any objections? Hearing none, motion is approved.
Mr. Chair, mukha pong tapos na ang usapin ngayong araw na ito. Mr. Chair, I move to adjourn.
Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chair,
Kong Defensor.
let me, before I second the motion, let me just congratulate you, also those who voted no. The members of the minority are all here. Those who have worked for the 11 hearings, the 12 hearings, Mr. Chair. Let me congratulate you, Mr. Chairman, again, and the TWG group. I second the motion, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, before we adjourn,
Yes.
I just want to be clarified if this committee report will still be. I just want to be clarified if this committee report will still be presented to the plenary, not anymore.
Hindi na po.
This is it, no? Okay.
Mr. Chair,
Kong Garin.
Mr. Chair, we are in receipt of some text from fellow members from the minority who would like to insert explanation of their vote.
Yes,
Just a
pwede
moment,
po
please.
isubmit na lang po sa committee. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
As there are no other matters to discuss and there is a motion to adjourn, duly seconded, hearing is adjourned.
Like and subscribe. Watch the previous video. Thank you for watching.